The US stock market remains at elevated levels, extending moderate growth. The US dollar index is trading quietly ahead of the Fed's policy meeting that will take place next month. Having failed to secure the psychologically important level of $50,000, Bitcoin is now drifting lower. Watch our video to find more details. On Thursday, the S&P 500 remains at a one-year highs. Today, it's standing at near 4,496. The expected range for the index is between 4,450 and 4,510. Why are analysts betting on a further growth of the S&P 500? They think is that the US economy looks quite healthy. The reports released yesterday revealed that US durable goods orders eased the pace of contraction in July, and the mortgage index rose in July. Both analysts and investors have no doubt about a further rally on Wall Street. Nevertheless, we understand that the uptrend will come to an end sooner or later. The US dollar index traded quietly yesterday at about 92.10. Experts say the index is likely to stay in the corridor of 92.50 to 93.10 until the Fed's policy meeting that is likely to clear up market sentiment about the US currency. Before that, US inflation data, which is due on Friday, might also impact on the US dollar. Meanwhile, the market is set to trade without sharp swings up or down. The USD CAD pair is also trading without gyrations. Yesterday, it held mainly at about 1.2620. The currency pair is expected to stay inside the range between 1.2580 and 1.2680. Currently, the loonie is unwilling to strengthen amid rising oil prices, though analysts expected such a response. In case oil prices continue their climb, the USD CAD pair will have to decline. Commodity experts believe that oil will hardly appreciate more in the near future, even despite growing demand. In this context, the range outlined in our forecast seems feasible. Bitcoin is now trading downwards as it has not been able to secure the psychologically important level of $50,000. Previously, this particular level has been resistance with the crypto has not been able to overcome. Early on August 26, the number one cryptocurrency updated a one-week low and stalled at 47,000. All in all, the most popular digital token has shed 3% in just 24 hours. Perhaps Bitcoin will try again to break the previous major resistance. However, the most probable scenario is a decline as low as $45,500 to $46,000 that could be followed by a new bullish attempt. To sum up, the market is not at a standstill. Market participants are alert to crucial data on US inflation and personal spending that will be released tomorrow. Besides, the speech by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell at Jackson Hole tomorrow will be able to fuel higher volatility, albeit it will hardly last for long. The event of major importance for market sentiment will be the nearest Fed's policy meeting in September. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.